And welcome to mycloudnews for October. It's an exciting month ahead. We've got the Microsoft Partner Awards tomorrow night, so I look forward to seeing you all there. Now, it's just a short update today. On the agenda, I just wanted to cover off the Exceed Cloud team as we're growing. And also, Simon Tabron's going to jump in and give you an update on our billing engine inside my cloud store. I will touch on the Microsoft Partner Awards, which are tomorrow night. And then I'll give you an update on some security, Windows 7 security updates, Microsoft 365 not-for-profit orders offer, a new MPA and MCA agreements, and what's new with Teams. Then Kenny is also going to jump in and give you an overview of the myConnect, which is Exceed's new Teams calling and SIP plans. Followed by that, he'll jump in and give you a virtual desktop, Windows virtual desktop, which is now generally available worldwide, and just some events and training after that. So just to kick off, just wanted to let you all know we are growing the cloud team. So we've recently onboarded Kenny Coe, and hopefully a lot of you already know him. He's our cloud solutions architect, and he can help you with anything around Azure, any sort of technical solutions, queries, etc. Starting next Monday, we have Amanda Chambers. Now she's going to be assisting myself with the modern workplace as a BDM there. So look out for her. And then the rest of the team is the same. So you've got Simon Tabron, Jason Cox, and we've got Aisha in our cloud administration team. Now I'm just going to hand over to Simon Tabron. He's going to give you a billing update.
Thanks, Janine. So hi, the long-awaited myCloud Store billing engine is going to be switched on and will go live on October 28th. We've had a few delays, as you're probably well aware, especially around modern Azure and the new modern commerce platform that Microsoft have deployed. We had to go back and redo some of the API calls that we make on Microsoft Partner Center. But that will all be completed and it'll all be ready to switch on. Now, there's a couple of things that I need to make you aware of as we do switch this on. If you were to select a day for billing outside of our standard billing cycle, i.e. the 12th of the current to the 11th of the following month for licensing, what we do is we'll need to run a report to synchronize all of your sub-accounts to that specific billing date. So what we'll do is you select a day, it triggers a little bit of stuff, a few cogs spinning in the background, and we generate this alignment report. What the alignment report does is it brings all of your licensing to that day that you select. So if you select, for example, the 15th of the month, and you're getting billed for some partners from the, let's say, the 25th of the month, you'll receive an invoice or a credit, sorry, for those 10 days to bring you back to the 15th of the month, and then you'll be billed for all of those accounts from that day. So again, outside of our standard billing cycle, you'll need to be aware that this alignment report will be created. The API endpoint is complete now and is active. We've got a couple of our partners accessing that now and doing a direct API upload into the likes of Xero. We've got some MYOB testing going on at the moment, which is just an upload of our output, our CSV output file. And we've got a number of partners that are looking at connecting to services like ConnectWise for billing. And again, we're just working with both our development team and whatever stuff arises from partners during their testing with their specific vendor. We haven't created the API calls. We've created the API endpoint for you to call from your billing service. So if you do have any questions on that, please feel free to just email through to me at mycloudstore@Exceed, or have a chat to, give me a call, or have a chat to your account manager, and they'll invariably put you through to me anyway. So look, if you do have questions, we're absolutely here to help. So yeah, feel free to reach out. So that's it from me. I'll hand you back to Janine.
Oh, thanks, Simon. Just to reiterate, we've got the Microsoft New Zealand Partner Awards. Now that's on tomorrow night at St Matthews in the city. I'm pretty sure that the purchase tickets option has closed now, and they're at pretty full capacity. I heard about 255 people are attending, so it should be a good night. I hope to see you all there. So Microsoft have also released paid Windows 7 extended security updates. So basically, starting on the December the 1st, anyone with Windows 7 Professional or Enterprise will be able to purchase the ESU through the CSP program. This Windows 7 ESU is sold on a per device basis and will increase each year on price. So keep an eye out on that. So changes to the Microsoft 365 Business for Not-for-Profit offers. So effective from September 1, you are now able to purchase the Microsoft 365 Business Donation SKU. Now that offers you a donation of 10 seats and a $5 USD price for additional users. So if you've got anyone on any existing plans, then you are able to renew and move over to this donation plan now. And you'll see that's all in our price list as well online. And then now this is really important, and I do know that we've done this recently, but we're going through it again. So from September the 1st, the Microsoft Partner Agreement has replaced the Microsoft Cloud Reseller Agreement. So you need to go on and into your Partner Centre and familiar yourself with the agreement and sign it. So you've got to execute the MPA prior to January 31 in 2020. Otherwise, you're going to have issues with the CSP orders going forward. And then from October the 1st, Microsoft Customer Agreement is replacing the Microsoft Cloud Agreement. So again, you're going to have to go through all the tenants and get them to re-sign this Microsoft Customer Agreement. So there's links. I will send this out, and there are links here. So if you highlight that, it'll jump you straight into that agreement. Now, Microsoft Teams. There's a new learning path on Microsoft Learn. So I took you guys through Microsoft Learn a couple of weeks back, but this is a brand new module that you can sit that's focusing on the team collaboration within Microsoft Teams. I've recently sat it myself, and it's a pretty good course, so worthwhile having a look. And that link there will take you through to the learning path. And from here, I'm going to pass you on to Kenny. He's going to give you an update on Windows Virtual Desktop.
Hi everyone. Yeah, just a little bit of an update with Azure recently. Windows Virtual Desktop is now in general availability, which means you can buy it, you can configure it, you can use it. Windows Virtual Desktop is the only way currently to get a Windows client operating system in the cloud. So Windows client being Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7. This is the only way you can get that in Azure at the moment. For more information, just send me an email, and I'll be happy to go through it with you. Next up, Azure Sentinel is also in GA. Now Azure Sentinel, the other name for it is Security Information and Event Management. It's a cloud-based theme product that allows you to send your security events and your syslogs from Linux servers or your firewall appliances to Azure Sentinel. What it'll do is it'll collect, analyze, use analytics and machine learning to detect threats and just based around security. Next up, the new commerce experience for CSP in Azure. That's coming up the 1st of November 2019. Now, this was previously slated to come out in October the 1st. This has been delayed. This is the one that will give us access to Azure Cost Management. There's a few other things that comes with it. More information will come out as it releases. That's it for me with the Azure updates at the moment.
Awesome, thanks, Kenny. I just wanted to cover off some upcoming events and training. Now we came across this really good sales training focusing on SMB and Azure. Now there's a lot of training out there that's very technical, but this one in particular is for your sales staff. So it provides a step-by-step guidance covering everything from Windows Server to SQL Server and supporting the migration to Microsoft Azure. So you'll learn how to price Azure deals, end of support scenarios as well, seller objection handling, how to close the deal and incentives, and how to market Azure as well. So it's worthwhile having a look and just getting your sales team to participate in that training. Microsoft 365, they've got a series of webinar training that has been released every month. They have a new webinar refresh. So these are the latest ones. So this is understanding the nuts and bolts of M365, then a security proof of concept deep dive, and also one that's a business growth with Microsoft team meetings and rooms as well. So they're worthwhile watching. They're about 45 minutes, and you can watch them on demand. You don't have to watch them at that specific time. And that's about us for today. So anyone has any questions, feel free to pop them in the question corner at the top there, or you can contact any one of us at the bottom of the sway, which I'll send out to you guys. I hope to see you all at the Partner Awards tomorrow night. Thank you.